Welcome to Stormwater Drainage Solutions. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to connect from PVC pipe to corrugated pipe. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first component you're going to need is this adapter fitting right here. This connects from 4-inch PVC to 4-inch corrugated pipe. Now on the particular job that we're working on here, this is actually a 3-inch Schedule 20 PVC drain pipe. So I'm going to be showing you here how to go from 3-inch to 4-inch corrugated. But this will also work if you are using 4-inch PVC and you're trying to go from 4-inch to 4-inch corrugated. So the very first thing we're going to do is cut out this damaged section of pipe. Now, I suspect that this damage occurred when the landscapers put this metal edging in here. They probably hit it with the shovel on accident, and Schedule 20 PVC is pretty thin, so it is not very hard to break and shatter this pipe. So keep that in mind when you are choosing a pipe for drainage. Now, Schedule 20 PVC, you can get away with it in certain situations, areas where there's no vehicle traffic, where nothing crazy is going to be happening. But keep in mind, this pipe can crush and collapse, and it can also break. So the first step is going to be pulling this section of pipe out. Now, the other end of this pipe, it just goes into the ground and it just discharges in the ground. So this downspout drain was not working properly to begin with. That's why we're out here doing the work that we're doing, and we are going to fix it. We're going to run a corrugated line from this 3-inch PVC. We're going to run it all the way through the front yard and get it discharged to the street. Now, take a look at that. Look at all that dirt that's just packed in the end of that pipe there. Now, obviously, that dirt got in there from the break, but that's what can happen whenever a pipe gets broken or collapses in the ground. It just fills with the dirt that's above it, and that's it. The line is no longer going to work. So our adapter fitting, as you can see, is not going to fit on the end of this 3-inch PVC. We're going to have to use another component here. So we need to use a reducer fitting. So this reducer fitting goes from 3-inch Schedule 20 PVC to 4-inch Schedule 35 or Schedule 20 PVC, but it also will allow us to put our corrugated adapter fitting in there. So you're going to want to use primer whenever you're working with PVC pipe. The primer not only cleans the pipe, but it also begins the softening process of the plastic, because you're not actually gluing the plastics together. You're actually melting the two pieces of plastic together. So once you have all of that primed up, you're going to use your glue and you're going to get it all glued up. Now, this particular adapter fitting that goes from PVC to corrugated is also made out of PVC, so you can just glue that together. Now it's time to start running our corrugated pipe. So we're going to extend one whole length of pipe through this trench here that we have pre-dug, and we're going to run it right up to where our adaptation is going to take place. So then the next step is going to be pushing our corrugated pipe onto that adapter fitting, and then we're going to use tile tape to wrap that joint up very securely. Now, tile tape is also called drainage tape. You need to use this style of tape whenever you are making a transition from corrugated to PVC. Because corrugated pipe is made out of HDPE plastic, you cannot use traditional PVC glue with HDPE plastic because you cannot melt HDPE. So you have to use another method of bonding, which would be the tile tape. If you guys enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It really supports us. It supports the channel. It helps out what we do. If you're in the Tampa Bay area and you need French drains, downspout drains, channel drains, give Stormwater Drainage Solutions a call at 813-614-3456. We install corrugated pipe, PVC pipe, dual wall pipe, triple wall pipe. If you have exterior drainage needs, give us a call. We got you covered. And until next time, this is Stormwater Drainage Solutions signing off.